Excited to be here to present to you today. And as I mentioned, this PowerPoint is a work in progress. There have been a lot of different team members that have helped to contribute to what we're going to see today. It's a combination of a few different sources from our different teams across the world. So welcome to Cloud Token. Okay, this is all about accumulating the latest and greatest crypto project that we have found that we've chosen to diversify in this space. Okay, accumulating CTO, which is our internal cloud token, is all about accumulating wealth. Okay, so who are we? Well, essentially, there are two people that are key members of the team that we're already been in contact with from the company. The first one is Ronald I, spelled AAI, and he is a Chief Technology Officer for the Cloud Token project. He recently won an award in recognition of his most recent project before this, called BitBeta, at the World Blockchain Forum this past year. Okay, so he's very strong technical background. He has over 25 years of experience in the tech space. He started his first networking business at the age of 15. And so he's a serial entrepreneur as well as a tech guru. And most recently, he has dived into the crypto and blockchain space in the last 5 years. Before that, he worked with some big companies like Nokia and Samsung. And he even has a few patents filed for some of the technology that he's developed when it comes to mobile payment systems and solutions. So he is a serial entrepreneur, and we've already been in touch with him. He's done a private Zoom for us where he did a live Q&A session and talking about the plans for the future for the cloud token technology. So there are two things that any project requires in the cryptocurrency space to be successful. The first is the technology. Okay, that's essential because you want a project that has the right technology that works. It's not just a prototype or not just some hype, but a true technology with specific use cases that the second element, which is the faith and confidence of members, can adapt, use, and believe in. Okay, so the second element is the faith and confidence on the part of the community of members. So this company has the technology. What they're looking for is to grow the community of members. And they're doing that using a very popular business model right now, which is what we call the paid to hodl program, where members are incentivized to use their wallet and their technology simply by paying them to hodl their crypto within this wallet. Okay, and we'll get more into that in a little bit. But this is Ronald I, Chief Technology Officer of Cloud Token, and once again, most recently, the Chief Technology Officer of BitBeta Systems, which has been called the fourth generation blockchain development company. So if anyone knows anything about crypto, the first generation was Bitcoin, the second generation was Ethereum and smart contracts, the third generation was EOS, which has been called Ethereum on steroids, and the fourth generation is mainnet development platforms that are expanding upon the foundation of those first three generations, namely with a company like BitBeta. And now Ronald has come on board as a Chief Technology Officer for Cloud Token. And this is a project that's been in the works for over 6 months now, actually. And so some of the things that they're rolling out, they've been working on it for months. And in the short period that we've been involved, we started testing the wallet on March the 22nd. And in that short period of time, there has been over close to a dozen updates already. So they're rolling a lot of things out in anticipation of the official launch on May the 12th. Okay, so who is the other key player behind this program? Well, if you go on the internet, you can go to WBF. I think it's IO, World Blockchain Forum. Okay, this is an organization that puts on trade shows across the world every month or so. You know, in New York, London, Dubai, Shenzhen, Singapore, you name it. They put on trade shows in the cryptocurrency space where they have and showcase and have allow companies, including startups, to showcase their wares and the projects that they're working on. Why is that important? Well, the founder of WBF is Sheng Zhao. this gentleman here. And he is very huge in the cryptocurrency space. Okay. He has come on board as a strategic marketing partner for Cloud Token, or strategic media partner. What that means is he is going to help this company expand globally, and he's going to help this company reach a wider audience. And my guess is he's going to be leveraging the World Blockchain Forum events that he puts on in order to do so. But his name carries a lot of weight. Okay. Simon Tran, who's our business partner here in Toronto, he actually went to one of the World Blockchain Forums in January and met Sheng Zhao in person. And he got to confirm that he's real. And this guy is huge in the crypto space. He's a big influencer. He's a founder of the World Blockchain Forum. He owns a media company in cryptocurrency. He owns a hedge fund in cryptocurrency. He's behind the digital US dollar stablecoin that was launched a few months ago, DUSD. And he's also a co-founder of the World WBF cryptocurrency exchange, WBFX. Okay. What else is important to know about this gentleman? Why did Simon travel in January to go meet him? Well, the reason is we were involved with the previous project that Sheng Zhao helped promote, and that's called Plus Token. Plus Token started just over a year ago. It celebrated its first year anniversary, and their internal coin started at 40 cents April 30th. It took 2 months to hit a double and hit 80 cents. September 1st, it was at around the $10 mark. And guess who got involved with it in September? That's right, Sheng Zhao. So he came on board as a strategic partner and investor with Plus Token, and he has been a major catalyst for the growth of Plus Token from about 300,000 members in September to the 3 million members today, and the rise in the Plus coin price from $10 to over $78 today. Understand that this all happened within the current bear market of cryptocurrency that we've been in the past year and a half. Every other coin in the market has dropped 70, 80, even 90%, including the major ones. Plus Token has done the opposite. Why? Because the technology is real and the community has faith and confidence in the technology. The community of 3 million members who are getting paid to hodl, who are averaging about 10% a month simply for holding their cryptocurrency with this wallet. In our presentations for Plus Token, because we got involved September 17th, me personally, and we got it at $12. It's been an amazing ride ever since on the route to $78 today. It's been an amazing ride. So this is the paid to hodl model, and this is a success story that Cloud Token is looking to emulate. Okay? Because we've always said that if you pay them to use your wallet, they will come. If you pay them to share the wallet with others, others will come. And this is what's possible within a year. 40 cents to $78 today. Okay? So when we saw Cloud Token and we saw the technology as well as the fact that Sheng Zhao is involved with it, because understand, because he's the owner of the World Blockchain Forum trade show company, he gets to see the pick of the litter. He gets to see all of the up-and-coming projects in this space, all of the startups. He gets to see firsthand the technology that they're promising, and he gets to choose which ones he wants to invest in, which ones he wants to help promote, which ones he chooses to put his name to. So the success that he's had with Plus Token, remember, he got involved in September when it was at $10. He's getting involved with Cloud Token at the onset right now, and it's at 30 cents. That's where we're at right now. And most of us who have had a chance to evaluate and do our due diligence understands that there's a good chance that it's not going to be at 30 cents much longer. So what is Cloud Token? Cloud Token is one of the most innovative and most transparent smart wallets that pays you to hodl your cryptocurrency. That's what we call it, PAID, paid to hodl. Paid to hold your crypto within this wallet. Mycelium and all of the other wallets out there that are not like Plus Token and Cloud Token do not pay you to store your crypto in their wallet. Here they do. And the acronym that we have for PAID is Passive Aggressive Income Daily. We love Passive Aggressive Income Daily. So Cloud Token has a decentralized wallet. It's built on a 4th generation blockchain platform thanks to Ronald I. And decentralized, once it's fully decentralized and it's rolled out completely, you will be able to track all the transactions on your wallet on the public ledger exchanges like Etherscan that you can see and you can track, and you'll see that they match exactly the amount that's showing in your wallet. Okay, so this is going, once it's rolled out completely, it will be a fully decentralized wallet. So Etherscan and 2 other public sites are available that you can check and verify that it's a fully decentralized wallet. As well as the transactions, you'll be able to trace that as well. So this is a transparency that the company has promised. Okay, network security is of utmost importance. They're partnering with a company called Cloudflare for their security. And myself, I come from a software sales background for corporate sales. And Cloudflare is a huge company. This is their distribution network of nodes across the world, global company presence. These are some of the customers they have: Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, eHarmony, Salesforce.com, Bain Capital, Sheraton Hotels, the New York Times, and Ronald's favorite, the League of Legends video game. But the idea is security is of utmost importance to this company, and the cost of something like Cloudflare is not cheap. So obviously this company is investing in their infrastructure. In terms of the application security, it's also top notch. This is one of the technologies that they shared with me that really won me over. Because once again, there's 2 elements to a successful crypto project: the technology and the members who believe and have faith and confidence in it. Here is a credit card with a chip on it. There is, on the left, there's the wallet, the mobile wallet on the smartphone. What this video is going to show is how they link the chip on that credit card using NFC technology, near field communications, to link the wallet to this credit card, which is a Union Pay credit card. Okay? Once it's linked, he logs out, and to re-log in, this person's using the chip on the credit card, because it's linked now, to access the wallet. This is the next level technology that this company is incorporating, and they're going to allow members to have access to this type of technology. Okay, some of these cards will be available at the May 12th launch event in Bangkok, Thailand for members. Okay, technology company first, not a network marketing, affiliate marketing, or MLM, or whatever name you want to have for it. It's a technology company first. And the technology is here already. Okay, so we have what they're providing here is a fully automated AI trading tools within the wallet. The idea behind this is that they're going to provide, the way they're paying us 10% a month to HODL is by virtue of this trading software that's integrated within the wallet. And in this video that's playing right now, they're actually showing you the live trading activity feed, so that there's transparency was important to Ronald and his team. So this is the technology that they've incorporated into the launch. This was just added as a feature in version 1.6 about 2 weeks ago, where there is now a live feed showing full transparency of the active trading that the company is doing on our behalf in order to pay us that 10% a month, which works out to be 0.3% daily that they're paying. On the far right now is a video of a tour that's one of the members took. He snuck into the office of Ronald's team, and these are all the engineers in this room, all working on developing and making the software, the artificial intelligence software called Jarvis, and they continue to develop it and make it better. And at the very end, you're going to see Ronald I as well at the very end, and that's him there. and he's talking about the nature of the trading software and how it's really artificial intelligence incorporated with human intervention as well. And you can see the amount of trading activity and analysis going into it. It's artificial intelligence tied to technical analysis along with arbitrage trading. So arbitrage trading, if you're not familiar with it, involves buying and selling the same cryptocurrency across two different exchanges where the price differential is big enough for it to make sense to buy on one where it's low and sell on the other one where it's higher to make a profit. And if done correctly, if your artificial intelligence software does it properly, there essentially is zero risk involved with that because the software knows ahead of time before it executes the two simultaneous trades that the price on one exchange is low where they buy, and then it's higher on the other one where they sell. Okay, so that's those two videos talk about the Jarvis AI software that we're using that allows us to earn that 0.3% daily for holding our crypto, and the transparency here is I haven't seen anything this transparent in all the different programs I've looked at. Live trading feed. And what they've also promised is that eventually for specific members who hit a certain rank, they're going to allow them to use the software, a version of the software, directly to their crypto exchange account. That way, they have full control of their crypto because they're attaching the software directly to their exchange account on Binance or wherever one of other 38 other exchanges that they've created the APIs for. So that's a future product that's going to be available for members. So right now what we have is the pooling of our crypto, and the company trades on our behalf using this software and pays us 0.3% daily. But this is just the beginning. Okay, the next video here is going to show a demonstration, and I'm just going to let it play, of the actual app itself. And that's the main screen of the wallet. As you can see, it has a balance. It shows a different coins that are available on it. Just give me 1 second here. It doesn't seem to be playing, but I can certainly come back to it Okay, we can come back to it at a later time because I do have the video separately. But that was the main screen of the wallet. Over here, this talks about the ecosystem of what they're trying to build. In contrast, Plus Token is trying to be the Google of the blockchain space. They have a wallet, they have the arbitrage trading, they have mining set up that's going to be launched later this year. They have an exchange that they launched in January. So they are multifaceted and they're looking to be the Google of the cryptocurrency space. With Cloud Token, their vision is a little different. They want to be the future generation PayPal of the cryptocurrency space, where they connect users from crypto to fiat and become the catalyst for the adoption of cryptocurrency in the real world. So that's what they're really offering. Their focus is the payment solution. Their focus is going to be those debit Visa, debit MasterCards that they're going to roll out once we hit a certain membership. And that way people can use their crypto directly from their Cloud Token wallet wherever Visa and MasterCard are accepted in the real world. Because that's the whole idea, is that cryptocurrency is sort of still in its infancy stage. It's been around for 10 years, but the adoption has yet to happen on a massive scale. But when that happens, that's when potentially the price of all the cryptocurrencies are going to start to really rise. It's that adoption that this company is looking to promote and build so that they can be the next generation PayPal for crypto. They want to be the Google Pay, the Alipay, the WeChat Pay for cryptocurrency. And those companies, if you're familiar with WeChat Pay in the Asia Pacific region, it's taking over. People in those regions of the world, they no longer carry cash. They no longer carry even plastic or credit cards. What they do carry are their smartphones to pay for everything. And the way they do it is they use their WeChat wallet to scan a QR code or scan a barcode to pay for everything. And that's already happening in certain parts of the world like Asia Pacific. And that's what this company wants to be, the super wallet for WeChat equivalent. And some of the partnerships that they're already talking about are companies like Grab. And if you're not familiar with Grab, Grab is the Uber equivalent in the Asia Pacific region. They actually acquired the Uber division in the Asia Pacific region. So lots of big plans for this company. Their vision is just as big as Plus Token, but it's definitely just more focused on the payment platform that they're looking to build. Okay? And here's a demo of that vision. This is a Cloud Token branded card that's being used at a Citibank or Citi Financial ATM machine. It's tied to the cryptocurrency wallet for Cloud Token, but by using this card, they're able to withdraw, redeem some of that crypto and withdraw it from this ATM machine for Citibank in fiat. Okay, so they have a working model, obviously, and it's just a matter of time before they roll this out to all of their members. They've told us that it's going to be available within the next 3 to 5 months. Okay. Cash is ready. There's a fiat currency. They're going to get their card back, and it's going to provide them with the receipt. Okay. So once again, the whole idea is this company is looking to be the catalyst for the greater adoption of cryptocurrency in the real world. Okay. Now, this next video was that video that I showed earlier with the integration of any card with the compatible chip to the wallet. It's next level technology. Okay. The official launch event is in Bangkok on May the 12th. There's going to be a bunch of featured speakers, including the Cloud Token CEO. So they're going to have a lot of members of the management team there. Ronald I is going to be speaking there, and a lot of our members are also traveling to Bangkok to be there in person. Okay. So why Cloud Token? Well, the reason why is simple. Here there's no packages to buy. You're not locking in your crypto for any fixed period, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months. Because with a lot of those other programs, you're essentially hoping that the company, does what they said they're going to do and makes good on their promise to pay you back that crypto for holding it. Here, there's no packages to buy. There's no membership fees. There's no monthly auto ship to use the software. There's no contracts. You can withdraw at any time. You earn passively without sponsoring. And because there's no auto ship, you're in profit from day number 1 or 24 to 48 hours, so day 1 or 2. Cloud Token generates revenue from arbitrage trading, not from the money that's coming in from the deposits of new members. The token has the potential to increase in value 100-fold over the next 12 months. What does that mean? We're getting this at 30 cents. If it is half as successful as Plus Token was, it's going to hit about $30. 30 cents to $30, that's 100%, 100 times increase. Okay? And once again, you are in profit as early as day 1 or 2. You can withdraw both your principal deposit and your daily interest at any time. You are not locked in. Okay? So here's a Jarvis AI arbitrage trading software. You deposit into your account. You earn 8 to 12% monthly on your capital. You withdraw or cancel at any time. And as an example, if you deposit $1,000 worth of Bitcoin into your wallet, you're going to average about 10% a month on that. So that's about $100 monthly, and you're paid out in Cloud Token. So if you think about it, that's about 10 Cloud Tokens, 10 to 12 Cloud Tokens per day times 30 days. You're looking at about 300 tokens for the month. But that's 10%, assuming the Cloud Token price doesn't increase. If it increases to $3, 10x, that $100 worth of cloud token will be worth $1,000 for that month. That's what I call triple C, crypto compounding crypto, which is possible because you are participating in an asset and accumulating an asset that has the potential to appreciate over time, just like real estate. But here, because we're in the cryptocurrency space, it is higher risk, higher reward, but it happens so much faster potentially. Okay? Crypto compounding crypto is better than fiat compounding fiat for that reason. So here's the benefits of sharing. On your first level, if you sponsor someone directly and share this opportunity, you're going to get 100% matching bonus on whatever they deposit. If you want more, you sponsor a second person on your first level, and that opens up level 2 for you, where you're going to earn 50% matching bonus on all the members on your second level. And if you want more, for every level, for every direct that you sponsor beyond 2, you're going to get 5% on every level beyond there. So from levels 3 to 16, once you get 16, that's a magic number, because once you have 16 directs, you've opened up 21 levels of affiliate commissions at 5%. The rank promotions are fairly simple. To qualify for additional bonuses of 5% on volume from level 2 to infinity, that happens by once you've hit 200,000 worth of team volume, you hit that C1 rank, and you get the additional 5% on every level from levels 2 to infinity. C2 rank means you have 3 separate teams that have a minimum 1 3C member in them, and that opens up an additional 5%, okay, for a total of 10% for that bonus. And if you want more, C3 means you have 3 teams with at least a minimum 1 C2 in them member. C4 will be 3 teams with at least 1 minimum C3 member, and each level adds another 5%. These bonuses are huge, and I know firsthand when I'm saying that, because within a short period of time, myself and a few other members in the team have already hit the C2 rank, and and the growth has been so explosive so far. So we're definitely fortunate to have seen this from the very beginning. Because remember, we're seeing this not at $10 or $12. We're seeing it at 30 cents. And from my experience, people like 30 cents more than they like $10 or $12. C5, that means you have 3 teams with a minimum 1 C4 in there, and that opens up an additional 5% in revenue share from the company directly. So there are the benefits, lots of benefits to sharing. Once again, the way it works is if you have a member that you refer that funds a minimum 500 US into the wallet and activates their Jarvis AI software, you're going to receive 10% a month matching bonus on their volume. Okay, so in order to qualify for those commissions, you must maintain a minimum 500 US in your wallet to remain qualified for that. Okay, level 1, 100% match. Level 2, 50% match. And to qualify for level 2 levels, you need minimum 2 directs. And once again, one additional directs opens up an additional level from 3 down to all the way to 21 if you have 16 directs. So here's an example of what's possible if you go to work, because I always tell people you can win here just by simply holding your cryptocurrency and get paid that average 10% a month without even sharing with anyone. But if you want to, then you can win here just by holding on to the cloud token coins that you accumulate and watch it as it rises from 30 cents to potentially $3 to potentially 30. That's another way you can win. But if you want to win big, then you go to work and build a team. And imagine if you've accumulated 20,000 cloud tokens in the next few months, over 10 months, you're looking at 30 cents launch price. If it goes to $10, that's about 30x growth. That 20,000 cloud tokens is about 200,000 US dollars. So I'm going to get into a little more of the comp plan here. So a quick income disclaimer. Cloud Token will not and cannot guarantee that you will make these levels of income, and you accept the risk that the earnings and incomes differ by individual. We have to stress that cryptocurrency in general is high risk. So you do not want to use funds for this project that you cannot afford to lose. Do not mortgage your house. Do not put this on a line of credit. Do not put this on a credit card. Only use funds that you're prepared to lose. As with any business, your results may vary and will be based on individual capacity, business level, experience, business acumen, expertise, and level of desire. There are no guarantees concerning the level of your success, and everyone's success depends on their dedication, desire, and motivation. So here's a review of how it works. The monthly profit is 6 to 12%. Minimum investment is $500 US to qualify for the affiliate program. There's no duration in the contract. There actually is no contract. You can withdraw both your principal and your interest at any time. If you do choose to withdraw and come out of the withdraw funds from the Jarvis software, there is an early redemption fee that actually was 10%. It's now dropped to 8.9% within the first 30 days. Any withdrawals thereafter, and because it's based on a per deposit basis, will have a zero fee involved. Okay. Profits are paid daily in Cloud Token. The minimum withdrawal for Cloud Token is 10, which is instantly convertible within the wallet to Ethereum. And that's important because what good are all these Cloud Tokens if you cannot convert them to a usable format? Within the wallet, you can convert it directly to Ethereum. Okay. So some of the other cryptocurrencies that you can deposit and transfer to the Jarvis AI software to get paid to HODL are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, and TUSD. So these are among the top 20 coins in the space. Okay. So that's the example that I showed earlier. Here's a recent update that we have right now. This is probably last week. We have about 50,000 members on board already. When they had that pre-launch event in China in the middle of March, I think it was March 17th, they had 1,000 people there present in the pre-launch event where they introduced Ronald and they introduced Sheng Zhao. And then one of the founders was there, Daniel Sozokis. They had like I said, they had about 1,000 members present at that time they had, and then right last week, they probably had 50,000. We spoke to Ronald just this morning, and he says we're closer to about 100,000 now. And obviously, they're ramping up and preparing everything and trying to get as many updates as possible done between now and May the 12th official launch in Bangkok. So that's where the grand opening is. Some of the things that I just want to share once again is everybody here wins. It's just a matter of how much and you choose how much you want to win. You can participate as simply someone who's holding their crypto within the wallet and getting paid to HODL. The other secret that I want to share with people so that they understand the big picture is that with this program, just like Plus Token, there is residual income with no mandatory auto ship. What does that mean? As long as members keep their deposits within the Jarvis software, you will get paid the matching bonus. What you have to ask yourself is, what is the retention rate with programs like this? I can tell you it's really high. Why is it really high? Well, if this wallet is paying me 10% a month simply for holding my cryptocurrency here, as opposed to holding it on Mycelium or an exchange or a blockchain wallet where it's simply just staying there and not earning him anything, now why wouldn't we use this wallet? Why would people stop using the wallet if they're getting paid 10%? Unless they need it for an emergency, they're going to keep it in there because most people that I know like receiving 10% a month on their crypto in the form of, especially when it's in the form of Cloud Token. So residual income with no mandatory auto ship. And then the other concept that I try to get people to understand and wrap their hand around is the whole concept of triple C, which I've talked about before. Triple C is crypto compounding crypto. In this platform, there's two ways that it works, and we've already seen it in action. Today, when the price of Bitcoin hit 5,900, everybody on my team got a raise. Why? Because we are paid a percentage in crypto. When the underlying value of crypto like Bitcoin goes up, everybody gets a raise, and that is without any new members coming on board, and that is without any existing members adding to their existing deposits. Automatic raise. That's crypto compounding crypto. That's team members and those who choose to build this benefiting from the rise in the coming bull market. And where else do we see crypto compounding crypto? It's in the cloud token price. Okay, so once again, on the bull market, everybody, when it went up from 4,500 a few weeks ago up to 5,900 now, you're getting paid. If you were involved, a few weeks ago, just on your account alone, you're getting paid more cloud tokens, because cloud tokens still at 30 cents, but because the value of the crypto that you're holding in the wallet has risen from about 4,500 to, now almost 6,000 US dollars just for Bitcoin as an example. Automatic raise on what you're holding in your wallet personally, and automatic raise on the volume that you've built in your team, because we get paid a percentage on the crypto amount. Okay. And crypto compounding crypto, we're going to start seeing this once those coins start to go up in price. And we're getting it at 30 cents today. 1,000 coins at 30 cents today is $300. At $3, those same 1,000 coins will be worth $3,000. At $30, those same 1,000 coins will be worth $30,000. This is where we are stacking and holding our cloud token. That is a strategy that a lot of us are incorporating and, are choosing to incorporate. There's no reason to be greedy here. I'm telling my members, the same way with the rise in Plus token, when it went from $12 to $15, I was encouraging my members to sell at 15, sell at 20, sell some at 30, sell some at 40. When it takes a dip, buy some more. When it goes to 50, sell some and take profit. The all-time high was just hit a few days ago at 78. I was telling people to take profit. No need to be greedy. So here, same logic. Take profit when it hits $3. Take profit when it hits $20. Take profit when it hits 15. When it hits 20. This is how everybody gets to win. Okay? And if you build a team, I'm going to share some quick numbers here of what's possible. If one member deposits on your direct level one, deposits 1,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin and activates their Jarvis, they're getting paid 10 tokens daily, 0.3%, based on 0.3%. You are getting paid a matching bonus 100% of 10 tokens daily as well. So in a month, assume that's going to be 300 tokens for that month. And assuming the price of cloud token stays at around 30 cents for the first 2 months, after 2 months, you're going to have 600 tokens from that one person that you sponsored who made a deposit of 1,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. If you do that with 10 directs, each depositing 1,000, that's 600 times 10, which is 6,000 tokens after 2 months. When the price of cloud token rises to $3, those 6,000 tokens will be worth 18,000. When it hits $30, those 6,000 tokens will be worth 180,000. Imagine sponsoring 100 directs on your level one. That is why the opportunity here is so huge in terms of the potential, simply because we are here at the beginning at 30 cents. Will it go to $30? No one knows for sure, right? But for us who've seen the success of Plus token from the rise of 40 cents to $78 all-time high just the other day, this is our opportunity to diversify with the cloud token project, where the technology is just as real, where the vision is just as big, where Sheng Zhao is also a key strategic promoter. And so it becomes a calculated risk that this project could potentially be just as even half as successful as Plus Token was, and it hits that $30. There are a lot of people that are going to be smiling 6 to 12 months from now. So how do you get started? You downloaded the Cloud Token app from the cloudtokenwallet.com, enter the referral code of whoever invited you. There's going to be a 6-digit PIN. You're going to have a 16-digit account number, a 6-digit password for your payment. You're going to have Google authentication that's going to be set up, as well as a mnemonic set of word phrases. So the idea is when you do your registration, be careful to record everything on old school pen and paper. You can take screenshots. You can, do that as well, but nothing beats old school pen and paper and writing down your passwords and everything that you need to access this wallet. Okay, so that's important, and I'm always stressing to people to do that for their own accounts and make sure that your direct members do that for themselves, because if everybody does that little bit to, help themselves and help their direct members, then it's a lot less work for the entire team. Okay, so most recently they've changed the registration process because they've now enabled two-factor Google authentication as well as the mnemonic phrases. The whole idea, once again, is this is a wallet that pays you to hodl. Okay, so thank you for your time, everybody. I do appreciate it. Once again, this slide presentation that I just shared with you today is an amalgamation of multiple sources on our team who are stepping up and creating their own slides and doing their own presentations. So it's very exciting times for us because it's all about the teamwork. We're all helping each other, and the idea is not to leave anybody behind. With this program, everybody can win. All right, so let me stop the